Doing a super quick video here for the Tusk folding shift lever for the CRF125F. High quality piece.
It's a good quality item.
It's got from Rocky Mountain ATV. It's their signature brand. They are a little expensive, a little pricey.
If you don't mind me asking how much it set you back?
$25, I think we paid for this. But we're gonna do a quick install on the bike and I'll let you know how it is. So we'll go ahead and get it open. Comes with a nice sticker, and then there's the shifter, and we are gonna try the super fast install method. Here we go, see how it works.
It's unbelievable.
Wow, that worked great. Yeah, I recommend that install method if you can ever get that to work. This is my first time with that one, but it worked great. And yep, got the folding shift lever on there, and then the next step is we got to make sure that it still wheelies with that shift lever.
Still good.